Sonu and the No-Burp mission.
This is the story of a boy named Sonu, a cheerful, smart, and kind boy, but he had one very strange problem.
Sonu, finish your breakfast quickly. You'll be late for school.
This is so tasty, Mom.
Sonu!
Sorry, Mom. It just came out.
This wasn't new, because Sonu burped all the time.
Children, today we will learn about animals.
I didn't mean to.
Sonu felt embarrassed and a little lonely. Mom tried everything, but nothing helped. In space, there is no gravity. On Earth, gravity pulls everything down. Inside our stomach, it separates gas and liquid, so the gas rises up and comes out as a burp. But in space, things are different. There is no gravity. Gas and liquid float and mix together. So a normal burp, it doesn't work.
Oh, that's interesting. Sonu!
Yes, Mom?
What if you go to space someday?
Space? Like astronauts?
Yes, maybe there. Your burps will stop.
No burping in space?
It started as a joke, but Sonu took it very seriously. From that day on, Sonu had a dream, not just to stop burping, but to become an astronaut.
You can do it, Sonu. Excellent work.
It wasn't easy. There were tough days, but Sonu didn't give up.
Years later, Sonu's hard work paid off. He became an astronaut.
That's my Sonu.
Finally,
Sonu reached space, floating in zero gravity. He remembered his old problem.
Let's test this. Here it comes. Wait, what?
No burp, not even a tiny one.
Mission update. Science works. No gravity, no burp.
Oh, thank goodness.
Her little idea turned into a big dream, and that dream changed Sonu's life forever. Sometimes a small problem can lead to a big dream, and with hard work, even the sky is not the limit, because beyond the sky, there is space.